Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So recently the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has received the Google Assistant update. That means you can use the Google Assistant right now on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which is a major update in there. This can be the $1 billion update you are getting for this watch, and previously the voice assistant which was there is the Samsung Bixby. Right now also the Samsung Bixby is there, but Google Assistant has been also there, so you can use any one of them. Preferably Google Assistant is a lot better virtual assistant than the Samsung Bixby, so I will prefer always Google Assistant over any other assistant in there, even the Amazon Alexa. And you can make the default assistant as the Google Assistant in this watch also. So we will see how we can activate the Google Assistant in this watch, and obviously we will also see some of the features of the Google Assistants which are really great and is not present in any other watch right now right here. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, to get the Google Assistant on your watch, you need to download the Galaxy Wear app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And once you have installed the Galaxy Wear app, just you need to connect your watch and make sure that your app and the watch are updated. So to update your watch to the latest version, you just need to come to the Galaxy Wear app, and after that you need to go to watch settings. Here you will just see this option of watch software update, and you just need to click on that. And once you have clicked, it will check for the updates. If any of the updates are there, definitely it will just download the update for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. For me, the watch is up to date, and also make sure you have the update installed for this app also, the Galaxy Wear app. And after you have updated your watch and app, you just need to come to your Galaxy Watch 4 and then come to the settings option. So to go to settings option, you just need to drag the notification panel from the top, and here in the settings icon you need to click. Here you just need to scroll and find the option of advanced features. In the advanced features, once you have clicked, you will get the option of customize keys. Once you are just clicking on the customize keys option, you will be getting the option of press and hold. So this is the option which you need to change. So I will preferably keep the Google Assistant. Now the Bixby is selected, so if you tap on that, you will get the option of assistant here. So you just need to click on assistant, and that's it. The Google Assistant is set as the default virtual assistant for this watch. So to access it, you have two options. So first of all, you can press and hold the home button. So this will bring the Google Assistant. So first time when you will be turning on the Google Assistant, there will be some of the agreements which you need to accept to use the Google Assistant. After you have accepted all of them, definitely you will be able to use the assistant on your watch. So previously for Bixby we need to tap and hold the home button, but now you just can tap and just remove the hold button and say whatever you want to say to Google Assistant, and definitely it will give you all the answers which are there. So another way to access the Google Assistant is use the wake up word, which is OK Google. So whenever you will be saying OK Google, the Google Assistant in this watch will be activated. So let's say OK Google. So you can see as I have said OK Google, it has just activated the assistant. So this is really important, because sometimes we will not be able to press the home button in this watch. In that case, we can also activate the assistant by saying OK Google. So this is very important feature. And previously we have seen that Bixby has some limitations regarding showing the information. So if we just turn on Bixby and ask Bixby some of the information like who is Steve Jobs or what is the height of Mount Everest as shown in previous videos, it was not able to answer. But in this Google Assistant you can do whatever you like. Everything is supported, and we are already in the future. So if we ask something, who is Steve Jobs? So you can see that not only it has understood what I was saying, it has given me the information with a voice feedback reading whatever the information is. Also I have got a haptic feedback on my finger when it was just answering my question via the Google Assistant. And on top of that, the best feature of all is it is not only showing me the information in text, it is also giving me the picture of Steve Jobs. That means that we are already living in the future. So in the future we can already predict what is going to happen. So definitely the Google Assistant will be able to show us the videos also, and we will be able to play the videos from our watch also. And because of AI, everybody's face will be determined, and definitely we can search anyone on Google with the picture up there and videos up there, so which is really great. So Google Assistant is not only a powerful tool for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, but it is also a tool from which we can get any information anytime, along with the pictures, the other information there. So this is the way you can install or you can activate the Google Assistant, but you can definitely change to Bixby also by following the same route I have shown you. So if you want to activate Bixby again, you just need to go to the same settings, and in the same advanced features you just need to click on customize keys, and once you click on customize keys you just need to click on press and hold, and here you can select Bixby if you want. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you how you can activate Google Assistant in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.